What's up, wonderful people? Today we are Prospect Park Zoo.
Come and join us. Yay! Let's go. The Prospect Park Zoo is a 12-acre zoo located off Flatbush Avenue on the eastern side of Prospect Park, Brooklyn, New York City. Tickets are $9.95 for adults and $6.95 for children. Check their website at Prospect Park Zoo for more information. Getting here is going to be a little hard. They do not have parking area if you are driving. Finding parking street can be challenging. So consider coming here using public transportation. While you're here, don't forget to check the Prospect Park Carousel and the park itself. Brooklyn Botanic Garden and Brooklyn Museum are also nearby. Don't forget to like, share, and consider to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is all about sharing amazing experience with you all. Thank you. Enjoy. Prospect Park Zoo is very big. If you come with your bicycle, you can put your bicycle here. Alright, so we're at the entrance. This is Chameleon Skeleton. Very nice art. This is snakes. Are you sure? Oh yeah, it is snake.
That is a snake.
This is the hat. I think, oh, the snake is eating the frog, I believe. You see, that's the leg. That's the hat.
And this is like the snake's body. Whoa. Cool.
That could be a fish, koi fish. Oh, that's a octopus. They have a discovery trail on the left. Or should we go to the straight first? That's the sea lion sections. Oh, they're all out. Let's check it out. Training sessions at 11:30, 2 p.m. and 3:33. What time is it? It's 11:19. Let's check it out later. Okay guys, so Prospect Park Zoo is part of the Wildlife Conservation Society. So they have Queen Zoo, Central Park Zoo, Bronx Zoo, New York Aquarium, and today we're at Prospect Park Zoo. So we did cover all the zoos. Don't forget to check our zoo playlist. I put the link in the box descriptions below. 11:30, feeding time. Check it out. Okay, so that's the sea lion show. I believe in every zoo at the wildlife conservations, one of their highlights is their sea lion feeding time. So make sure if you at one of their zoo, check their sea lions feeding time. Okay, now we are going to check out their barn. So on your right side, they have Discovery Center. I believe they are having a birthday party now. So if you're thinking to have your birthday party here, you can actually have your birthday party here. Left and right are the restroom, so check their website, Prospect Park Zoo. What do we have here?
Oh, it's like
Sleeping.
a duck. It's a duck.
It looks like chicken.
Maybe turkey?
This is the Himalayan monal.
Wait, there's a male and female.
Yes, that's the female. That's
The blue one is the male. The one over there is the female.
living trust and silver fast.
Oh, on your left side they have Hall of Animals. Oh no, building is closed. Today is about 75 degrees. Saturday in the month of May. Weather is starting to get hot. So if you're here with your kids, bring your sunblock, hats, make sure you bring your water, and don't forget to have fun. By the way, if you enjoyed this video so far, please consider to like, share, and subscribe to our channels. Your support means so much to us. You see some ducks? No ducky.
And turtles.
Oh, I see turtles. Oh yeah. Where is the zebu? Zebu sleeping. Zebu is taking a nap. So that's the barn. Guys, let's check out the barn. Let's go inside.
Guys, Guys, let's go to the barn.
Let's go!
Yeah.
Place for you to wash your hand. But maybe we can wash your hand later. We're not done, right? Stuff here. Miniature Julian pig. Piggy. Thank you. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Is it a baby or is it a dog? They're full grown. About 6 years.
So you can feed the animals about 50 cents and you get a bunch of them. And they also provide a change machine here.
Okay, give this.
Whoa. This is the outside barn. You can also feed the animal here. A place for you to cool down. And let's take pictures.
1, 2, 3. Look here. Look, they also have the dinosaur here. Don't forget to check our Dino Safaris video in.
What happened?
Oh look, they also have dino here. Don't forget to check our Dino Safari at Bronx Zoo. It's really cool, and I think they're gonna have it until the end of this year. Don't forget to check it out in our playlist.
So again, we here in May 2022. Currently, this place is closed. Hall of Animals. What do they have here? Little mouse and some frogs and probably snake. We'll come back next time.
Now we're going to the animal lifestyle. Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
AC, huh?
Oh, that's cool. That's cool.
What is this? What do we have here? Wow. That's cool.
This is just very bright. Yeah, this one.
I see the snake.
Yeah, there's a snake right there, big snake. Oh, let's check it out. Wow, it's pretty big in here. Monkey, baboons. I see the baboons here.
Oh, there it is. Do you know what behavior is? It's how many different atoms.
So if you're here with your kids, you see science stations, make sure you stop there and ask questions. They do have a lot of fun information, good information, educational information for your kids. So make sure you go there and ask them questions. Your kids probably would like it too. Yes?
Yes.
Look at there.
Oh, it's in Cameroon. Golden lion.
Whoa, they're so fast. We are going to conservation classroom. I wonder what that is. Are they open? I think they're open. Gabriel, can you open the door for us? Ooh.
No, it's not. Oh, it's like
nothing.
It's like nothing there.
Oh, it's nothing.
Yo, bro.
I guess we're going to eat now.
Yay.
Alright, sitting area. Let's check out what they have. And this guy here, yellow shirt, he already found a place to sit. Sea Lion store and cafe. See what they have here. Okay. Shirts, dolls, more shirt. Prospect Park Zoo, more shirts. Look at the cute mug. That's a small one. They don't have elephants here at Prospect Park Zoo. You want to see more elephants? They have elephants, I believe, at the Bronx Zoo. So this is their cafe. Sell some soda, sandwiches, ice cream, popcorn,
Cold food.
hot food.
Yeah.
So as far as food in Prospect Park Zoo, they don't really have a lot of options. They only have few cold sandwiches that we don't really eat that anyway. So good thing is we have our snacks. So if you are thinking to come to Prospect Park Zoo, make sure you bring a lot of snacks and waters and drinks just to take a quick break. Guys, if you happen to like this video, don't forget to like, share and consider to subscribe. Your support means a lot to us. By the way, there are other ways to support our channels. Number one is you can use the thanks button, so kind of like giving us a tip so that we can continue our channel here. Other way to support our channel is to buy our t-shirts. Yes, we do have merch. I'll put the link our store in the description box below. Check it out. We're gonna add our collections more and more in the future. Check it out, guys. Okay, some of you guys probably wondering what kind of camera that I use every time we vlog here. So currently I'm using the DJI Pocket Size 2. Now if you consider to purchase this camera, please use our affiliate link in the box description below. That way if you are buying the camera using our link, we also will get some little commissions. That's another way to support our channel. Thank you.
So this is the last one. Let's check out their discovery trail. Come on, let's
Let's go!
Woo!
No, my stick.
Okay, what tunnel is this? What tunnel is this? Where are we going? Oh, they're just creating tunnels for us to experience. Hop like a frog. Oh, hop like a frog. Okay. Whoa. Mama frog. Wetland wonders. Here you go. There's all the duckies. Wow, I see a lot of turtles. Yeah, you can actually also feed the ducks and the turtles. Probably cost the same 50 cents, right? This is the play area. Too bad they are taking a break.
Hi!
Special dog called Dingo. It's like a regular dog and they put it in zoo. I wonder why. Maybe they are special dog. Red panda. Right there on the tree. Porcupine. There you go. Porcupine.
Hey, don't judge it.
This is one very smelly plant. Wonder what plant is this? Better not touch it.
Oh, there's two.
This is the otter. They're sleeping. Nice weather, so they want to enjoy their nice hot weather. They're taking a nap. Deer. Tufted deer.
Oh, the crane is so pretty. Beautiful. Yeah.
The deer's so cute.
Okay, let's check out the aviary. Birdie, birdie.
Whoa. I'm not gonna take a pic. Whoa.
Wow, here, big turkey right here.
Oh yes. Ayan, that's a giant turkey ready to be cooked.
Whoa.
Alright guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Bye.